Sepulveda Transit Corridor Alternative 4 is underground on the west side and comes out of the hillside just south of Sepulveda and Valley Vista. Tracks high above the street with noisy steel-wheeled trains will destroy Sherman Oaks. This is the proposed above-ground metro impact at Sepulveda and Ventura, at the 101, at Burbank, at Oxnard. We need mass transit, but not this. This transit option through eminent domain wipes out houses and apartments by Delgado, Valley Vista, and Sepulveda. We can't let this happen. The Sherman Oaks Homeowners Association has started its own public outreach. Let us keep you informed.